Let's quickly do this question. This question is under a topic ebizwa by electromagnetism. That is from grade 11. So there are formulas that we use here. We have this formula, which is equal to BA cos theta. We also have this formula, EMF is equal to minus N change in phi over delta T. So in this formula we have this one represents the magnetic flux linkage. Okay, so B represents the magnetic field. The magnetic flux in a SI units Webers, then the magnetic field Z Teslas. A represent the area of any shape. Then theta is an angle. It is an angle. Theta is an angle between the normal and the magnetic field. Then this one represents the induced EMF. And then this one is the number of turns of frequency. Lena yonke represent the change in magnetic flux. So we have a final magnetic flux and the initial, because there is a change. Then there is ixesha per time in seconds. So let's quickly go to the question. The question says, the diagram below represents a current carrying conductor, which means the diagram is clearly a conductor, that is a wire. If I can draw a wire here, it's a wire with this side, that is a wire, and the wire in okay. So this wire ivele ngelicala lino x, inecala lino x iphinde ibe necala eline dot. Elicala lino x, think of a screw, that is isikhonkwane. Isikhonkwane siba khona pha when usifakile in, which means the current here is moving into the conduct. Then elicala lona li dot, there is no screw pha, sikho isikhonkwane, which means sikhutshiwe, which means sikhutshiwe out. So see out of the what? Of the conduct, that is out elicala, right? So if we were using the right hand rule, ubhunze bezopointa into apha ku x, into, then ubhunze kwelicala apoint out of this bullet. Okay, then we check iminwe yethu ijikeleze isixelela i-magnetic field. Now if we say ku x ke ngoku sisikhonkwane esifakiweyo into, how to put isikhonkwane kulo hole bikhona, uyasijija clockwise direction, uyusijijele ngapha isikhonkwane. Xa usifaka uyasijija clockwise because ufuna sibe khona. Xa ungasifuni uyasikhupha. Xa usikhupha usikhupha anti-clockwise isikhonkwane, anti-clockwise, which means this is the magnetic field. So in this case isikhonkwane sikhona pha into, which means sifakiwe isikhonkwane siye safakwa into, which means xa usifaka usifaka usijijela kwelicala, that is clockwise direction. Then we're done with that one. Let's go to the second part. That is the last part of this question. A solenoid with a radius of 5 centimeters. So the solenoid has a radius, which means the solenoid is circular. It is a circle. It is a circle. The solenoid is a circle. Okay? Which means when we calculate the area, we are going to calculate the area of the circle. The formula is equal to, area is equal to pi r squared for a circle. If it's a rectangle or square, we can use length times breadth. Okay? So let's quickly go to a statement. They say 350 tens, which means we do have a number of tens. N is equal to 350. There are 350 tens. Is pulled out. So igama elithi pulled out lisixelela i-final magnetic field. So the final magnetic field, final, or the final magnetic flux is equal to 0 because sikhuphe out of i-magnetic field. Ebingubani magnetic field? Ebingu 5,20. So the magnetic field ebesinayo pha ibingu 5,20. That is a magnetic field, which means initial the magnetic field ibingu 5,20. Then sayiphula out, is pulled out, which means sisuke apho besingu 5 sayapho ibingu 0. Pulled out of magnetic field in 0,1 seconds, which means delta T is 0,1 seconds. Then they say a solenoid is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field. Once they say a solenoid is perpendicular to the magnetic field, you must know that the normal is parallel to the magnetic fields. Therefore, theta is 0. Once the solenoid is placed parallel to the magnetic field, so when they say is parallel, you must know that the normal yona is perpendicular, which means the angle ngubana 90 degrees. Okay, ngoku they say the solenoid is placed perpendicular, which means the normal is parallel, the angle is 0. When they say the solenoid is placed parallel, you must know that the normal is perpendicular. So in this case, the normal is parallel to the magnetic field, which means the normal i-angle yethu in fact izoba ngu-0. So singabala yonke into sesiyayazi uba utheta ulingana no-0 degrees. Okay, so sibe sigqibile. Now let's answer the questions. The first question says calculate or state Faraday's law in words. Faraday's law said that the induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change in magnetic flux. So the induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change in magnetic flux. So ixesha xa lapha ngezantsi sithi rate of into engentla. This is the change in magnetic flux. Then the following question here says calculate the magnetic field or flux linkage. So the formula for calculating the magnetic flux besendibhalile nansi yayithi BA cos theta. So we do have UB. So UB ngu 5,20. Then sitsho sibale area cos i-angle sesitshilo sathi ngu-0 cos 0. So i-area ke ngoku since kuyi-triangle ikwi-area of a what? Of a circle, kuyi-circle leya sizoba no pi r squared. Okay, so I will have pi r squared times Then the radius pha bekuthiwe let's go back a bit. The radius is 5 but centimeters, which means we have to divide by 100. So I will divide by 100 to 5 centimeters square. Then sibe sigqibile ke ngoku, we are going to punch the calculator and we get the answer. Then sibe sibalile ke ngoku 0.408 Webers. The following question says, calculate the induced EMF, which means we are going to use this formula. Induced EMF, we are going to use this formula. Okay, so the formula yona ithini? It EMF is equal to negative N change in magnetic flux divided by T. So if you can look there, in fact N sinaye, then change in magnetic flux final minus magnetic flux initial divided by change in time. So the number of turns 350. Then they said it is pulled out of, which means minus pi. Then the initial magnetic flux nansi yangu 0.408. 0.40. There is another 0 here. There is another 0 here. 0.0408. Then divide by delta T, which is 0.1. So then we are done with this equation. So it is very simple. You must know these symbols, this symbol and this symbol. So that this symbol is clear what the current is moving into the conduct. Then upper, the current is moving out of the conduct. You are removing a nail, which means xa remove a nail usijija kanjani anti-clockwise, then xa usifaka usijija clockwise. These are the basics that we need to know. Thank you.